Hi guys, welcome all to the Cloud Learners channel. In this channel, what we are going to do is we are going to learn so many clouds like AWS, Azure, GCP. Apart from it, we will go for the DevOps part too, and DevOps tools like Ansible, GitHub, Docker, and so on. Okay, so I hope you guys are knowing about AWS or the other clouds little bit. Right now, what I'm going to start with, I'm going to start with the AWS cloud first of all. So let's begin with creating an account with the AWS. So in this, what we are going to do is we are going to open this aws.amazon.com website, and here we will click create an AWS account. So once you will click it, you will be redirected to this page. Here you will use your email address. I am using cloudlearners2k21@gmail.com. Password I am giving as this one. I hope that is not visible to you. Okay, and account name I am giving as, let's suppose, my name Rohit. Okay, now if I will continue to it, it will ask me for some security check. So I will DMP space MFS. Okay, what it is giving me? Okay, it is giving me error. So I said MP. I think that is space I didn't have to give. 8 RD. Okay, what it is thinking that I don't know how to read the things. Let's try it once again. Okay, that's good. Clear? So what it is asking for now, contact information. So full name I'm giving, sorry, I have given already my full name, so I'm giving it once again. Okay, apart from it, I am going to give how to use this AWS for the business one or the personal one. So I am using for the personal one right now. Okay, country is my India. Phone number, it's 88893888421. You can ping me later for your any doubts. Address, I'm going to put up E1 Paras Heights. Okay. Karod, Bhopal. I'm from Bhopal. Okay, okay, city is coming near side, so I'm going to write it over here. And MP, and my code is 462038. Okay, let's check the things once again. What I have given: phone number, country, flat number. Okay, let's continue to go towards step 2. Now it is asking me for the credit information and billing information, right? So for the billing of information, you need to give here your credit card or debit card number. Once you will proceed with this term, I'm not gonna fill this thing right now. Okay, so once you will proceed with this, you will be able to log in to your account. Okay, clear? So thank you so much for watching this. This will be a short video. I know I'm leaving this video in the middle of it, but right now I don't want to give my credit card number and the debit card number over here, so I'm just leaving it here. But in the next video, I will have a full-fledged account with me, and in that video we will cover up our first lab, that is how to create an EC2 instance for a beginner. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you.